sir, founder V4C Education, and esteemed dignitaries who are come over here, my respected parents, my dear teachers, and my well-wishers, and my wonderful achiever family, and press and print media friends. Standing here to today fill my heart with immense joy and pride. My strength is all my partners, that is my parents. Without your unwavering support, trust and encouragement, Achiever Active School would not be what is today. Especially, I want to say about my journey in the field of education. In 1999, I started as a tuition teacher for mathematics in Karimnagar by establishing Harsha Academy, my son name. And after that, almost all the schools in Karimnagar town, I verified, attended, and I seen their academics. And there I found a gap in the academically the children where they are. So in Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, after completion of this one, I made a detailed project report what the education should be. So in the 2001, I started Challenger High School, Bhagat Nagar, with 26 children. At that time, that is an innovative school with education with a difference. Next year, 2002, we got almost 400 plus admissions. Like till 2015, we were with 1500 strength with a day and residential. So that is a great journey. And in between, actually, we started Achievers High School, pre-primary preparatory school in 2008. My beloved partner, Mrs. Pallavi, MABED, she started the pre-primary school. What here, Achievers Active School also, that initiative of Achievers School by Mrs. Pallavi. I joined with her in 2017-18 because this is the only possible without no background, without any other great monetary and financial support, only because of you people, you family people of my parents. Till today we are here, even though lot more hurdles, lot more pains and sorrow in my family. Also, all the parents are with me, with my family. I am very thankful to my family, that is Achiever family, that is yours, because you were not there, because we were not there. Because that is a great sad moment in 2023, my assassination of my daughter, Dr. Manvini. But that school, Achievers Active School itself, name itself, society itself with the Manvini's Education Society. I am requesting all the parents, I am giving assurance to you, definitely we are going to give the best education compared with the top schools in anywhere, because we are trying here. Here our chief guests who are here, they are great personalities, great experienced personalities. I call them to share their experience with you, because that is shows my interest on you, because you can simply leave your child to Achievers family. You can dream whatever they want. Definitely they are going to be big achievers in the life. And especially we are going to say about our SSC result in 2023 with 100% result of 21 children with 110 GPA. And last year 2024 we have the children wrote 35 children in the 10 GPAs are 4 and 7 9.8 GPAs. This is also great result, because this is the second batch, and today that's year 2025-26 is the third batch of Achievers Active High School. So we have a lot more experience. The parents who are there here, nursery to 10th class, especially out of 31 children, 12 children are there. That is 13 years of journey with us. I am very thanking to all the parents. శిరస్సు వంచి ఆ పేరెంట్స్కు నమస్కరిస్తున్నా. 13 ఏళ్ళు మమ్మల్ని నమ్మినందుకు. ఎందుకంటే మీ పాప బాబు ఇప్పుడు అచీవర్స్లో నౌ దే ఆర్ ఇన్ 10th, 9th class, 8th class, ప్రతి పేరెంట్ యొక్క మీకు అంటే టైం లేదు వాస్తవంగా చాలామంది పేరెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ హార్ట్ నుండి పంపించారు మెసేజెస్ హౌ దే ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ అబౌట్ అచీవర్స్. సో చాలామంది పేరెంట్స్ చూస్తే మేము వీఆర్ వెరీ ఫార్చునేట్. సో వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, న్యూ థింగ్ దిస్ ఇయర్ we added Infinity Learn IIT Foundation. This is the great program, a great mentor Prakash Rao sir here actually. He is academic head of Infinity Learn Schools at Sri Chaitanya also. We are giving the best education in IIT Foundation, and the parents knows actually they are writing online examinations, they are attending live classes and with trained by our teachers with them, and there we continuously getting national ranks, grade 6th and grade 9th, grade 7th, grade 9. They are almost all getting every year they are getting first, second, third rank among all top schools in India. So that is also great moment. Here also that data also there, and I am requesting Prakash sir also to show that one, because parents should know what is happening. And in the SRF, this is the actually grade 6 we have national rank first, 2, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 12th, later 15th, 17th. So this is 6th class, and 7th class somewhat only one rank is there, 8th, 9th. So many ranks. That exam was conducted online in the computer lab. No support from teachers, no support from anybody else. That the result here, Siddesh from 7th grade, he got 7th rank in national level. Vindutna, she got 8th rank national level. So like 7, 8, 10, 11, 14, 15. So major single digit ranks our children won in this academic year. This is continuation of 12 exams, 12 online exams, 12 weeks they conducted. Even though they performed well, that is not only for achievers, that is for entire India nation-wise. So I am very fortunate because we have a good program. We are giving that to the children, then who are going to be rock in IIT, JEE and NEET in our 12th standard. Definitely it's going to be big achievement for them in the life. And not only this one, in Olympiads also. SRF Olympiad, Hummingbird Olympiad, NASA Olympiad, 6 to 7 Olympiads our children are writing. And last week in SRF Olympiad, our children wrote and they got state and national level rank. 5 to 6 children, and they got awarded with Shata Kakatiya University VC in Warangal last week. NASA also one child got national rank. And in sports and games, all the parents knows we have the big playground, and SGF games also almost 80 plus students appeared and they participated in that one. And even in karate also our children got national ranks, national gold medals. And our other big achievements is in 2018 our 111 students, they made Rubik's Cube in 56 seconds. 56 seconds, 111 children, Rubik's Cube solved by the children. That is a wonder book of records made by the Achievers School. That is also great event. And last year, binary records, 202 children, non-stop dance for 40 minutes. 40 minutes non-stop dance for Telangana songs they did. That is also we got binary wonder book of binary records of world. So many Limca book of records also, 1, 2, 3 kids they achieved. So here we focus not just on academics but on overall development. And one more introduction in this year is to enhance fluency in public speaking. We took initiative of Achiever Radio, Achiever News, that all parents of Achiever, they know how the children are doing anchoring, how bold, how confidently they are speaking. Today almost all 36 children are participating for anchoring. Even they are from 4th class to 8th class. Can't you imagine, because after completion of my graduation I didn't on the stage. So they are making possible, we are giving the scope to them. They are very fluent in English. And but we who made this possible, but with support of you, that is our amazing parents. Your encouragement and belief in us have been pillars of our success. And a special words to the parents. Dear parents, your children's first and best teacher is you. We at Achievers are just facilitators. Together we educate, enrich and excel in nurturing your child's future. Here one small story I am going to say you. Years later, the son became a great leader, and because education is the only gift that never fades, never weakens, and always grows. And this what Achievers Active School stands for: education beyond books, and nurturing achievers with values, discipline, and future-ready skills. And don't just chase marks and ranks, and chase knowledge and values. True achievers don't seek recognition. Their achievements make them shine. So I extend my heartful guidance to our chief guest of honor, and esteemed dignitaries, and press and parents. Thank you for believing in us. Together we will continue shaping future of our children. And this big thank you to all once again. Enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you all. Thank you once again. Thank you.